Hi, my name is Ben and I'm a software engineer from New York City. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a lava lamp using some simple household items. This experiment's going to work because of two very important scientific principles, density and polarity. All you need for this experiment is some vegetable oil, some Alka Seltzer, food dye, just some plain water, and a glass container. For me, I'm just using a regular drinking glass, but feel free to switch that out for a larger vase or any other glass container. First thing we're gonna do is take our glass container and fill it about 3/4 of the way with vegetable oil. Just like that. Next, we're gonna pour the water in, leaving just an inch or two near the top. Notice how the water falls right to the bottom of the container. This is because water is more dense than oil, one of the scientific principles that's going to make this experiment work. Also, since water is polar and oil is nonpolar, the two substances can't mix at all. This is why our lava lamp is able to have bubbles floating completely separately from the rest of the liquid. Polar substances can mix with other polar substances, and nonpolar substances can mix with other nonpolar substances, but the two can't mix with each other. This is why, for example, you can't wash off Sharpie, which is nonpolar ink, with polar water, but you can wash it out with rubbing alcohol, which is nonpolar. Next thing we're gonna do is take our food dye and put a couple of drops into our container. This is so we can have some nice colored bubbles in our lava lamp. I'm just using some red food dye that I had from my kitchen, but feel free to use whichever color you like. Watch as the dye breaks through the oil-water line and starts to dye the water. This is gonna take a minute or two. So now we have some oil and colorful water, but the last thing we need to do is have our bubbles actually move through the lava lamp. Real lava lamps have a heat source at the bottom of the lava lamp to cause the bubbles to move through, but here we're just gonna use some Alka Seltzer. When we drop in the Alka Seltzer, it reacts with the water to form carbon dioxide bubbles. The colorful liquid is gonna hitch a ride on the carbon dioxide and rise through the oil, pop at the top, and then fall again once it reaches the surface. The result, our very own lava lamp. You can try this experiment at home and show us your lava lamp by tagging Pueblo Science in the video. Be sure to like this video and follow us on Facebook and TikTok.